Okay, that was just our share size no bean chili. And we're just spreading that on the bottom of our large aluminum lasagna pan. Just making sure it gets from edge to edge. Perfect. Now I have some shell pasta that I cooked, and we're putting that right on top of our chili. Can I get that spread? I just cooked that for about 7 minutes. And that was just from my Velveeta shells and cheese. So now we're gonna grab our Velveeta packet that comes with that, and we are going to put all of that cheese right into our pan. This is gonna be so yummy, so delicious. If you love chili and cheese, this is gonna be the meal for you. Let's kind of get this rolling so that we can get all of that cheese into our pan. I love Velveeta and I love this mac and cheese. So this was such a fun recipe to come up with. So we're just gonna make sure we get all of that out. All right, good enough. Now I have some diced red onion, and we're just sprinkling that right into our pan. You can use white onion, you can skip the onion, but I like to buy the pre-cut because then I don't have to cut it myself. And we all know this is missing some hot dogs, so we're gonna grab a couple of our classic wieners, pull them out of the package, and then we are going to snip these right into our pan. I love hot dogs with chili. I love cheese. I love onions. And this dinner is going to be absolutely game changing because we have our hot dog pieces. We have everything that you want. And you can adjust this to your liking. Use whatever mac and cheese you like. Use whatever meat you like. But this is going to be great. You're going to add about 8 hot dogs in here. So let's get that going. And for seasoning, I have my mild chili seasoning, and we're gonna use this whole packet into our dish. Yeah, and if you can find a chili starter, you can add that in here. But I really think that this seasoning and the extra large no bean chili is gonna be enough to make this nice and saucy and delicious. We're gonna come back in with that spatula, and now it is time to mix everything together. We are making a hot dog chili mac. Yep, you heard that right. I mean, what is not to love? This is gonna be such a great dish to feed your kids because it has everything they like. It's so quick to put together. All you have to do is boil those noodles super fast. They're super small, so they boil super quickly. And then you just mix everything together until it gets nice and well combined. I am so excited. You could even do a little smoky instead of a hot dog if you don't want to waste time cutting things. But we just want to make sure that everything gets cheesy and chili. But we all know a good mac and cheese needs something on top of it, and that is more cheese.
Of course.
And we have our extra sharp cheddar from Tillamook here, the best you can buy. And we have our cheese grater that I love to use for any occasion. We're gonna lock that in, and we are gonna grate our cheddar right into our pan. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This is gonna be absolutely delicious. Kind of just make sure it doesn't get stuck in there. Sometimes this cheese grater likes to have a mind of its own, but we wanna make sure we spread out that cheese the best we can. I think we're gonna use this whole entire block. What do you think, babe?
I think we should because, you know, people love cheese that are coming over.
I mean, it's a mac and cheese. It has to have cheese, right?
Of course.
Now we can continue spreading this in there until we feel like it is nice and coated with our sharp cheddar cheese. Okay, and that is it. My oven is set to 375, and this is gonna be in there for about 30 minutes. Oh my, this smells absolutely delicious. Oh, I'm so excited. Before we dig in, I am gonna top this with a couple of pickled jalapenos. Obviously, if you're feeding this to kids, you can just keep this on the side, but I love a little jalapeno with my chili and with my mac, so why not put it on my chili mac? Okay, this is ready to dig into. Oh, I am way too excited. Looks absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Get a little hot dog. That looks like the perfect bite to me.
Is it good?
That is delicious. Wow.